You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to Lab Connecting Zoom in a Major Incident. Let's move ahead and perform this lab. To perform this lab, we need to log in as our primary account. So I am logged in into home.atlassian as our primary account, my primary account. I will click on Jira Service Management. Under Spaces, I am going to click on NetSoft IT Service Management. We'll click on the incident on which we are working. All users are unable to send or receive email via Outlook, desktop, and web client. Okay, so I'm in that request now. Under details, we'll scroll down and we'll look for Zoom. Now, if you don't have Zoom account, you need to create Zoom account using this ID. Remember, your primary ID. Click on Connect. Here, we need to click on Connect. Here, we need to create account. Since we don't have the account created as of now, I'm using my primary account. Click on Next. So now I have created my Zoom account. I will click on Connect. Click on Allow. And yes, it's connected. Let's go back to the same incident again. Refresh it. And now we are going to click on Create Meeting. See, now Create Meeting option is available because we are connected. Okay, Create Meeting option is available. Yes. Make sure that Create Meeting option is available. With this, we are done with this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.